Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wickes circular saw. First, prioritize safety by always wearing safety glasses and hearing protection. Before you begin, ensure your workpiece is securely clamped to prevent any movement. Always check that the blade is sharp and correctly installed. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and effective cutting experience, helping you achieve precise results every time you operate the saw. Preparing for your cut is key to accuracy. Adjust the cutting depth so the blade extends about 1/4 inch deeper than your material. This prevents unnecessary strain on the motor. For angled cuts, set the bevel angle, which typically ranges from 0 to 45 degrees. Finally, clearly mark your cut line with a pencil or marker. These preparations ensure your cuts are both clean and precise. When you're ready to cut, place the saw's base plate firmly on the workpiece before engaging the trigger. This provides stability and control. Maintain a steady, consistent feed rate, allowing the saw to do the work without forcing it. Guide the saw smoothly along your marked line, keeping both hands on the tool for maximum control. This technique ensures a straight and accurate cut every time. After completing your cut, allow the blade to stop completely before setting the saw down. For your safety, always unplug the saw when changing blades or performing any maintenance. Regularly clean sawdust and debris from the saw after each use. This simple step helps ensure the tool's longevity and maintains its optimal performance. Proper care extends the life of your Wickes circular saw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.